السلام عليكم. اسمي رامي من العراق، من محافظة بغداد. عمري 29 سنة. تعرضت إلى حادث بالكوسرة قبل 10 أشهر.
I had gone to Iraq to do an OPD, and this 29-year-old gentleman came to me with an injury to his left hand with multiple injuries to 3 fingers. The middle finger actually developed a flexion deformity. That means he had a fixed position of his middle finger, and this joint was completely destroyed. He also had injuries to his index finger and his ring finger, but they had treated him there with tendon surgery. He wanted to get his movements back in this finger that was fixed in this position. So I told him to come to India to Metro Hospital, because I told him that the surgery of joint replacement was not possible in Iraq. He came to me about 2.5 weeks ago.
تعرضت لحادث بالكوسرة قبل 10 أشهر. تفلش المفصل مال الإصبع الوسطى وانقطاع بالأوتار باقي الأصابع. سويت عملية بمستشفى مترو بالهند.
This joint replacement is a very customized, specialized joint that has to be made specific to him. So we got a CT scan done of his finger, we got an MRI done, and then we sent it to the designers who actually made a customized joint for him, which took about 12 days to make.
دكتور راجيف، والعملية الحمد لله هسه أحسن. مستشفى كل زين ودكتور جيد.
Today is his 4th day. He's doing pretty well. He's already started moving his finger, and he plans to go back to Iraq. And we are happy that we are able to provide such kind of surgeries to patients who require even such joints as the finger joints.